Yes, I am. You've told me your name is Michael Thompson and you're not with your National Guard unit. So, Mike, why do you expect to receive your National Guard pay?
I'm sort of with the regular army now, and we're up in the mountains fighting, but...
Are you actually in the regular army?
Not officially. I kind of got swept up during the retreat from Seattle.
Then have your company clerk file a 451-A.
Look, our company clerk got his head blown off 2 hours ago. I need that money, and I need it sent to my ex-wife in Chicago before she...
Mike, I can only pay you... Or an actual current spouse. That is if I could even pay you, which I can't unless I get a 451-A. For the ex-spouse, I'm gonna need a declaration from a court.
A declaration from the court? Have you heard? We've been invaded.
That doesn't change anything. We have rules in this country for a reason, and if we...
I swear, I'm gonna beat these damn Russians, and then I'm gonna hunt you down. How do you like that?
Yeah, hunt me down with a 451-A. And I need it in triplicate, Corporal.
After Pine Valley, the Russians pulled back and tightened their perimeter around Seattle. Unable to mount an attack ourselves, we waited, nursing our wounds and trying to anticipate what would happen next. Not long before Christmas, the Russians made their next move. Several regiments attacked east up into the Cascade Range, and it soon became apparent that their objective was Fort Teller, the headquarters for the Strategic Defense Initiative, or as the public popularly dubbed it, the Star Wars Project. What we knew, and they didn't, was that the project was a bust. If the Russians reached the base, they'd realize the whole thing was basically a scam, that we had nothing to stop their nuclear missiles from striking our cities and military bases. We couldn't let them figure that out, so we moved east as well, taking the fight into the mountains and trying to delay the Russians, while Colonel Wilkins and his people at Fort Teller dug in as hard as they could.
I suggest we fortify these crossings and then blow up the bridge.
Yeah, that should buy Wilkins some time.
That won't work, sir. We don't have nearly enough
And what will you have us do? Roll over and die? If Ivan gets to Fort Teller, we'll have a global thermonuclear war in our hands.
Hey, must be a Russian scout.
Damn it! We need to get moving. You won't be needed here, Bannon. I'm sending you 10 miles northeast on a recon mission.
Understood, sir.
All right, then. Wilkins is counting on us. Let's get to it. No time to dick around, Parker. Establish defensive positions at those two forts. If Ivan is already there, I want him annihilated. You hear me? If he gets the chance to dig in before we get there, we won't be able to hold back the main force. Try to be quick, Parker. The sooner we dig in, the better. Captain Webb is standing by to reinforce you. Now get going. Eagle 6 out.
Colonel, these woods are ideal for infantry. The trees could cover an advance almost all the way to the river.
You're right, Captain. Using the woods would help us retain the element of surprise. Parker, use those woods as cover for your infantry as you maneuver toward the river. Try to take Ivan by surprise.
Ship moving to party. Armor ready. Leaving. We are ready to rumble. Trap to party. Armored transport report. Trap leaving. We are driving to coordinates. Armor ready. Move. Rolling. Bradley 8. Move to party. Yes, sir. Armor available. Rolling, sir. Bradley APC. Move to leaving. We are ready to rumble, sir. We're available for action. Drop. Leaving. Armor moving out. Trap. Roll. Sheridan ready for orders. Move.
Roger that. I have enemy tanks on my scope. Over and out.
Mechanic is in place, sir. Start repairs. Destroy the target.
Nice shoot. Direct hit on hostile.
Enemy neutralized. Moving on. Fall down, incoming! Armored transport ready. What now, sir? Shoot the missile lock now!
out with cluster bombs.
We're supporting the troops. What
We lost a unit.
hostiles? We need orders. Roger, will do. Target vehicle in combat.
Yeah, enemy units.
Parker! Ivan is pushing forward. Fight them back and retake that position.
They got us targeted.
Copy that. Those tanks are about to become scrap metal.
Well done, Parker. Ivan is probably dug in at the other fort by now, so expect some resistance when you get there.
My guys are moving into position now, sir. And my scouts report increased Soviet activity across the river.
They're moving fast. We just have to move faster. You know what to do, Parker. Eagle 6 out.
They got us targeted.
Eagle 6, come in. This is Bannon. Bannon, report.
We're 2 clicks from our final waypoint and engaging a small Soviet advance force. APCs and jeeps, over.
I couldn't care less what you're engaging, Bannon. There's a bridge in that area, and I want you to destroy it. Report when you're done. Eagle 6 out.
This is Webb. We're engaging multiple Russian targets at this time.
Roger that, Webb. Keep them at bay. Eagle 6 out.
Roger that. Iceman is in the pipe, armed and ready.
Armored transport report. Enemy targeted. Vehicles blown. Go! APC attacking me. Firing at hostiles.
Airstrike turret target area into dust.
Engage the fire. Trying to target. Rolling her out. Rolling her out. Good. Push it. We're in combat. Awaiting command. Armored train. Roger. Will do. Awaiting command. Enemy targeted.
Sir, special ammo loaded.
We got a missile ready.
Ready, sir.
Yes, rolling, sir. Just quick. They got us targeted.
Copy that. Target coordinates will be
Soldier is
toast.
dead.
Stoker is on the way.
Armored roll leaving.
Ready to drive.
Hostile target defeated. Bradley APC here, sir.
Patching him up, sir. Mechanic is in place. Stoker here. Napalm payload dropped at designated coordinates.
Bradley infantry transport. Yes, sir. We got a missile ready. Armored heading to coordinates.
Are you ready, sir?
Target vehicle disabled.
Yeah, starting with the repairs.
Another excellent job, Parker. I'm detailing a pair of M60s to you. Don't lose them. They're all we have until Bannon returns. If he returns.
Webb here. My men are reinforcing the second crossing now. And sir, I'm sure Bannon will pull through.
That remains to be seen, Captain.
We'll hold the fords, Parker. Move on to your next objective.
And now for the final crossing, Parker. The bridge is the prize. Claim it and secure it before Ivan does.
Eagle 6, this is Bannon. Sit rep, over.
Driving quickly.
Roger that, Bannon. I gather you didn't accomplish your objective.
The bridge has been destroyed, sir. We're moving back now, but we're encountering increased Soviet resistance in the area.
We won't be able to hold the crossing forever, Bannon. If you're not here in time, you'll have to find another way around.
But sir, the area's crawling with commies.
And I couldn't care less, Bannon. Ivan is not getting this bridge because of your incompetence. Eagle 6 out.
Moving is ordered. Moving as tracks are leaving.
Napalm strike in target area completed.
Leaving.
Stoker out.
attack at both forts.
Understood, Captain. Can you hold?
I believe so, Colonel. Some backup would be nice, though.
Roger that. I'll see what I can do. Eagle 6 out. Webb, how are you holding out?
We're still doing good, sir. The Russians are attacking like crazy, but we can hold for a while longer. I am running low on ammo, though.
Roger that. I'll get you some supplies. Hang in there. Eagle 6 out.
One fast transport starting with the repairs.
Bradley infantry transport ready. Move. Hostile target defeated. Ready for firing at hostile, sir. Enemy targeted.
Sir, have we heard from Colonel Wilkins yet?
I spoke to him briefly an hour ago. He told us to meet him at Cascade Falls, the garrison town near Fort Teller.
How many men does he have?
2 understrength companies is what he told me, Captain.
Delivery order.
And we have regiments of Soviet troops coming. This won't be an easy fight, Colonel.
No, it won't, Captain. It won't.
Evasive, repairing them now. Patching them, mechanic, patching them. Starting with mechanic is in place, sir. Starting repair. Starting with the repair.
Good job, Parker. We'll wait a little while longer. But if Bannon isn't here soon, we'll blow the bridge.
Napalm strike deployed. Stoker here. Napalm payload dropped at designated coordinates.
Parker, the weather is getting worse, and the Air Force says they soon won't be able to bring in any more reinforcements. Call in what you can before their planes are grounded.
Roger that. I have enemy tanks on my scope. Over and out.
Last call for those reinforcements, Parker.
Hunter out. This is Hunter. Target missed. Ready to repair. Engine is running, sir. This vehicle is patching them up, sir.
I just got off the horn with the Air Force. Their planes are grounded, and that means no more reinforcements. We'll have to make do with what we've got. Eagle 6 out.
Sir, my scouts just reported several Soviet artillery vehicles moving into position across the river.
Roger that. They'll be zeroing in on your position, Parker. Send out a strike team to neutralize them.
Armored transport reporting in. Armor ready. Moving out. Yes, sir. Tracks are departing. Drive rolling.
Eagle 6, I have a sit rep. My scouts say the Soviet main force is moving into the area.
We need to blow that bridge. Bannon, come in. Where the hell are you? Charlie 6, come in.
They could be in combat, sir, and the hills break up the radio transmission. We should give them a little more time.
Damn it. If I don't hear from them soon, we'll blow the bridge and move on.
Webb here. The Russians are coming at us in force. Bring up those Gustavs and we'll show those bastards a thing or two.
Good job clearing the artillery, Parker. Now concentrate your forces around the bridge.
One fast transports. Yes, moving. Moving.
Good shot. Keep it up. Good shot. Keep it up.
Mechanic is in place, sir. Start repair.
This is Webb. If Bannon doesn't get here soon, we'll have to withdraw. I can't sustain these losses for much longer.
we'll go. Fire mission received. Artillery barrage inbound.
Nice shot. Tank destroyed.
Artillery barrage turned the target area into dust.
Enemy down.
We need some mechanic engaging in repairs. Repairing them now. We're getting busy with the mechanic engaging in repairs.
Captain Webb, sit rep.
Webb here. We're still holding at the fords, but the Russians will break through eventually. Their main force can't be far out now.
Understood, Captain. We'll hold the bridge as long as possible, but I won't risk it for Bannon's sake. He'll have to fend for himself if he's late.
Sir, we will need his tanks for the upcoming battle.
Maybe. If we lose this bridge, there won't be any more battles.
Troop carrier weight rolling out, sir. Rolling, sir.
We got a wrecked hostile tank.
Roger that. Delivering a rain of shells at target coordinates.
Kill confirmed.
Enemy units in target area got hit hard.
Target destroyed. Hostile target defeated. Destroy the target. Hold down, incoming.
We can't last much longer. Repairing a mechanic, engaging in... Starting with patching them up, sir. Sir.
Under attack. One less tank for the enemy, sir.
Copy that. Heavy artillery barrage inbound. Things move, but repairing them now.
Heading to coordinates. We're under attack.
Yeah, we're getting busy, mechanic.
They've got one of your units.
Artillery barrage turned the target area into dust.
We need orders. Move! We can't delay any longer. They might be dead for all we know. Prepare to blow the bridge and move, Parker.
First combat. We're supporting the troops.
6! Eagle 6, this is Bannon. Don't blow the bridge yet. We're half a click out and coming up on the rear of several Soviet tanks. Engaging now.
Delay that order, Parker. Don't blow the bridge yet. Hold until Charlie Company is across.
Target overrun.
This is Zulu Niner. Coordinates locked down. Shells on the way.
Tracks are moving. We need orders. Roger, will do.
Enemy units in the target area are destroyed.
That was in the nick of time, Bannon. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
All right, everyone, we're moving on to Cascade Falls. Stay sharp. This thing ain't over yet.